All of this, though, allows even us to detect something like 10,000 different smells. We really are well adapted to it, but of course other species are even better than we are. As far as the pheromone system is concerned, it's a very primitive one, and it never actually ever impinges on our brain cortex. So it's pretty much likely to be a very unconscious sense, something that'll cause an automatic reaction in an animal, and if we use it, the theory is it would do the same in us. The receptors for this are the so-called vomeronasal organ in the roof of the mouth between the nose. It's a hamster here, and they project to a tiny little part of the brain here in the front. This is all smell in the rodent down the back here, and then right down to the parts of the brain, and I'll show you in a moment, that are dealing with sex, hormones and emotion. This is where it's thought to be in the human, right, again here between the roof of the mouth and the nose. So the brain projections from this system, as I say, are routed straight to the areas of the brain that are controlling the sort of basic things of life. And for example, male pigs and hamsters have to smell pheromones through this system from a female in order to actually get sexually attracted to them at all. It's an automatic reaction. They smell it, they're attracted. There's no way out. Female mice use it to also remember the male that had sex with them, but in this case the remembrance isn't some sort of conscious memory. Oh yeah, I know you, you're the one I had sex with last week. In this case, you had sex with them last week and you got pregnant, and if you meet another male, what happens is that, oh, there's a mismatch, and your endocrine system suddenly says, whoop, I better not carry the baby, I'll abort it. So you have hormone changes, and it causes an abortion, because the animal's not aware of this. But that's exactly what the pheromone memory system will do in this case. In humans, it's often startlingly referred to as the sixth sense, and is one that is speculated about hugely. And you can imagine why. The idea that you could actually put in a bottle something that you put on a male or a female, and you have an absolutely irreversible attraction effect on the opposite sex, might have some kind of commercial advantage. As far as the airborne system is concerned, as I say, there are approximately 1,000 different receptors located. This is the human epithelium, in olfactory epithelium in the nose. This is what it looks like if you stain it and show the nerves coming out of it. Other species, though, have much, much bigger, larger olfactory epitheliums, and this is the receptor, the idea that you have to need lots more receptors to get more sensitivity. This is exactly what happens. Here's our friend German Shepherd, 150 centimeters